take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of shadows. Follow, sweet children.
What a magnificent night we have tonight. We absolutely locked in with the weather, didn't we?
As we all come together to experience Witches, with leading ladies Amanda Harrison, Lucy Durack, Helen Delamore, Gemma Ricks and special guest artist Simon Gleeson, who are tonight going to perform for us classic hits from screen and stage, and with that extra privilege tonight to enjoy and experience the WA Symphony Orchestra backing them.
Join us, leave your fields of power. Join us, leave your cheeks to sour.
Absolutely wonderful thing that Joondalups doing for the city. It's amazing. As you can see, there's absolutely loads and loads of people attending here.
Top-notch performers, they always get it right on the head. And yeah, just a fabulous night out to spend with friends and family, share a nice picnic. Absolutely top-notch. Well done, City of Joondalup.
It's just got better every year.
It's so much like me. Chicks again. Our mental synchronization. Can't have but one explanation. Can I say something crazy? You, me, the WA Symphony, Frozen? How